we're here to listen to people's views, whether it be good or bad, on health and social care services. If someone has a concern, they can come to us. We have an independent advocacy support service. If for some reason they can't take a complaint forwards for someone, they are really good at signposting people, which means they're not just left ringing around different services and getting no answers.
I've had 49 years in healthcare. My husband, he was terminal, and I cared for him on my own at home, and he was really passionate that later on that I could go out and help the local community that don't know how to access all these things. Lots of the farmers don't have access to the internet. They're fit, they're out, and then something happens, they don't know how to access it. If we get the word out about lice, that we listen to their problems and we will take it forward and help them, that they're going to have more knowledge to help them, because Powys, all the residents in Powys is getting older. I think the average age is about 50, so they're going to have more healthcare needs, and it's important that they know how to get help when they need it.